Hey guys, it's Quentin again. So today's a pretty big day. As you know, I probably haven't posted very many videos about my waterfall in the last month or two. That's just because I had it sent out for chroming. And just like you guys, I've only seen those photos of the chrome-plated waterfall that my chromer sent to me. So I haven't seen it in person yet until today. So I wanted to unbox this thing in front of you guys live. I guess it's not live, but you know, so you could see it live, see my reaction to it, so you could actually see, so you get a good view of how I think it turned out. So here we go. If you don't remember, this is a plastic piece, so it cannot be chrome plated in like a traditional method. So this is actually painted. We had to finish it like you would a car part or a body. We used filler primer to kind of smooth it out and sanded it down to 1200 grit wet, and sent it off to the chromer for him to do his thing. And so now it's time to see what this thing looks like. I think he used all my same packaging. Oh, yep, he did. Okay. Just more bubble wrap. Okay. So here it is. Nicely. Did a nice job of packing it. Okay. So here goes. You did a very good job of packing it. Oh boy. This looks good. This looks really good. That looks great. Yeah. I'm very happy with this. This is great. I'm gonna go put it in the car right now just to kind of mock it up. Here it is in the car. It looks really, really good. You can kind of see me in the reflection of it. So yeah, it looks great. So we're still gonna do some painting in here. Maybe, possibly. And then I am gonna put like a little black ring in here to give it some depth so it looks like that goes back. And then we'll final install it and we'll get it tightened down to the dash so it fits flush like that. And then this will be done. But man, it looks great. I am super, super happy with it.